Hey, what's up everyone? I think I have enough time in the microSD card to make a more lengthy video than I did last time. So, the report that has recently come out states that it's insane, nearly a 2,000% increase in major earthquakes since 1990. So what's going on? You can check it out here, what their theories are. Obviously, there's many prophecies, including the prophecies of Matthew, stating the earthquakes in various places, and there will be an increase in these times in which we live, according to biblical prophecy, and many, many other prophecies worldwide. So, what is that purple light in the sky? No one has any explanation that's been given to these purple lights. They've seen purple lights, pink lights. I know after storms, a pink sky is seen. I've seen many pink skies after a storm, usually after a tornado hits. A strange purple glow is increasingly being observed in the United States sky, and no one can explain why. Now, this is incredible. There were an earthquake swarm. Now, from what I heard, there were thousands. I heard there were thousands of earthquakes that have been hitting several countries within a 1 hour period. But in this particular country, 17 major quakes hit within 1 hour near Mount Teide. So, this is on the Canary Islands. And these ghost moons have been observed, which they're actually two big, large dust clouds. So that's what they look like. So they're titling them ghost moons, but that's what they would look like as they pass by and start orbiting the Earth. They're interplanetary dust clouds, that's what they're calling them. Now, this mysterious space object, this has been watched for quite a while now. Many space observers and a lot of researchers and astronomical observers have been watching this particular object as it approaches Earth for a while now. Many times they speculated that this could be an alien spacecraft or some people were stating, well, that means it's the dark entities coming. There are dark beings that are, going to put out this lie. And some people are stating, well, maybe it's just a meteor. And then you have these scientists coming out and stating, well, it could be a spacecraft. And then you had videos like Secure Team stated that it could be a craft that's on its way to Earth due to the unusual behaviors that it exhibits. But regardless, this mysterious space object known as Oumuamua, whatever. Oumuamua, whatever it is, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. It is probably not an alien spacecraft, according to scientists. Now, although researchers now did say it could be a solar radiation-propelled spaceship. So they're going with their theory that it's not an alien spacecraft, probably not an alien spacecraft, but researchers are speculating that it could be a solar radiation-propelled spaceship. So I suppose we'll find out, or we might not. By the way, I hear that CERN is, according to rumors, CERN is firing back up in their facility in Geneva, Switzerland, I believe. Over in Switzerland, they're firing their facility back up again to test some more subatomic particle smashing. So we'll see what happens there as they smash these particles and smashing atoms at astonishing rates there and trying to open up portals to alternate realities and dimensions and timeline, whatever you want to call all of this, and alternate universes, parallel universes, and something could come through, and maybe that's what the Hopi prophecy meant, the Kachina prophecy, stating that these portals, these gateways that have been kept closed for so long, man, will then open and mess with the universes and cause collisions, causing them to merge, and you can't change it, you can't fix it once this starts. It's like the cat's out of the bag now, it's all out of whack. Moving back to this, these huge cracks in the ground, in the road, have opened up in India, and it's causing panic among the residents. Officials denied earthquake fault as the actual cause of the damage. But look at these pictures. As it states here, they speak for themselves. And I'm just stating the news here. Huge cracks in the ground and the road opening up in India. It's caused panic among the residents. But the officials are stating, nope, it was not an earthquake. No earthquakes. Really? Well, the first thing I would think if I seen this is something's pushing upwards, something's going on, fault line, ding 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 ding, telling me that the ground's cracking open and moving. Obviously, it's either a tectonic shift, earthquake, or fracking. Now, the main reason why they may not want to state what they're doing or what the cause of it is and not put an earthquake as the cause down is because maybe they're fracking. Who knows? Maybe they're doing some fracking there. This is really creepy. Found out where the tooth fairy lives. The joke there, pun that they made. Hundreds of teeth found inside the walls of a building in Valdosta, Georgia. I guess this dentist was keeping teeth into walls. Anyway, on to this, a sickening pulsing heartbeat. People have been hearing a heartbeat happening worldwide. I'll make a separate video about this. It's almost as if the Earth's heart is beating. The Earth's consciousness. The Earth is actually starting to, you can hear this heartbeat. Many people have been hearing worldwide. And I heard earlier, that horn sound that I posted videos about previously. I heard it again. And the Sasquatch-like sounds, I heard them in the hills during the day. Now, which is very unusual for that to happen during the day. But I heard them. So, this pulsing heartbeat, mystery hum, it's rattling residents' nerves. They're posting all over social media from Delaware to New Jersey. For the past 3 days, they've been posting on social media, calling in the local police, asking what the heck is going on, what's going on, it's driving me crazy. It's rattling their houses, their windows, the floors, the walls. It's just booming and rattling, and there's this strange heartbeat noise. They said it sounds like the Earth has a beating heart. So, we'll see what happens. And I'll bring you updates on more. And the final thing, the last thing I reported on before this video was the desert turning to a giant sea of water after record amounts of rainfall hit the Arabian Peninsula. Yeah, this sickening, pulsating heartbeat causing pain and causing annoyance in residents and rattling their nerves from Delaware to New Jersey. What is this strange hum, this mystery hum, this strange pulsing sound that is rattling the residents? Give your thoughts. I'll make a separate video regarding this due to its nature, the topic of this nature. Much love and peace. This is the latest strange news. Bye.